Have you ever wondered who cleans up all the crumbs and spills at the bottom of the ocean? It's not a vacuum cleaner, and it's definitely not a broom. It's sea cucumbers. Imagine a world of shimmering coral castles and swaying seaweed forests. That's where our story begins, on the sandy floor of the big blue ocean. Sunlight dances through the water, painting playful patterns on the seabed. Crabby was scuttling sideways, as usual. He was Explorer Crabby, and exploring was his very favorite thing. He had a tiny magnifying glass strapped to his claw and a backpack filled with seashells he'd already investigated. Today, though, Crabby was puzzled. The usually sparkly sand near his favorite coral reef was, well, a little messy. Bits of seaweed, tiny shells, and what asterisk was that? Goodness gracious, Crabby muttered, adjusting his magnifying glass. This reef needs a cleanup crew, but who could possibly do it? He tapped his claw thoughtfully on a piece of driftwood. He tried to pick up some of the debris, but his claws were too small for the job. Sighing, he slumped against a colorful sea anemone. Suddenly, a slow-moving, lumpy creature lumbered into view. It looked like a big, wobbly sausage with tiny little feet. Crabby had seen these before, of course. They were sea cucumbers, but he'd never really paid them much attention. The sea cucumber, noticing Crabby, gave a gentle wiggle. "Well, hello there, Explorer Crabby. What troubles you so?" Crabby pointed a claw towards the messy sand. "This reef is a disaster, so much stuff, it needs cleaning." The sea cucumber chuckled, a bubbly sound that tickled Crabby's whiskers. "Cleaning, you say? Why, that's our specialty." Crabby blinked. "Yours, but you're just sea cucumbers, you're so slow." The sea cucumber smiled. "Slow and steady wins the race, Crabby. Watch and learn." And with that, it lowered its head and began to eat. Crabby watched, fascinated, as the sea cucumber slowly moved along the ocean floor, munching on the detritus. It swallowed mouthful after mouthful of sand, seaweed, and other bits and bobs. But what are you doing?" Crabby asked, his eyes wide. "I'm eating the leftovers." The sea cucumber replied, its mouth full. "All the yummy bits of decaying plants and animals that sink to the bottom. We sea cucumbers are like the ocean's garbage disposals." Crabby stared in amazement. He watched as the sea cucumber continued its meal, slowly but surely clearing away the mess. "And what happens to all the stuff you eat?" Crabby inquired, thoroughly intrigued. "Ah, that's the magic," the sea cucumber chuckled. "We digest all the good stuff, you see, and then we poop out clean, purified sand." Crabby's jaw dropped. You poop out clean sand asterisk." The sea cucumber nodded. "Indeed, we're like little recycling machines. We take all the waste and turn it back into something useful. The clean sand helps keep the ocean floor healthy for all the creatures that live here."